So in dealing with a collection of documents, you might wonder, how do different documents compare to each other? And while a human can do this manually, it's not particularly efficient. Moreover, there are cases where you might want to look at changes between versions of a document in a process either called redlining or blacklining, or if you're familiar with it, through something similar to what Word has called track changes. And to do this automatically, typically provides a great deal of value because then you know how a particular negotiated document has changed from one version to a next, and whether or not, say, an opposing counsel has tried to slip something sneaky in or has deleted something you care about quite a bit. Doing this manual is possible, but it's error prone, as all things are when humans do them, and even when machines do them too. Now, is it particularly hard to do document comparison? No. It's pretty simple to do a relatively straightforward document comparison, but it won't necessarily take into account reorderings of text or other nuances like that. But anyone with some amount of technical skill can probably implement a simple comparison between two documents or multiple documents. More advanced, nuanced comparisons require more technical prowess, which is why you might seek a vendor to do this. And there are many document comparison vendors, though of course the benefit to seeking one that you can embed in your own software is that you extend functionality that you can then incorporate into one large workflow that your customers can leverage, or that your own internal stakeholders can leverage to compare many documents at once against a template. And so you know which versions of a bunch of set of agreements have changed, and whether or not you might need to then update a playbook or add or modify a clause bank to adjust different trends in what's market. Now, of course, all of these things are doable by any piece of software, but again, incorporating this into your software means that you can offer more value to your clients and allow them to do a little bit more with the software than they could have before. Again, locking them in, keeping them busier with your software, and ideally paying you more money.